Nice V8 BMW. What do we think is going to be wrong with it? Oh, it starts alright. But it is absolutely hemorrhaging oil out. Just back on this V8 BMW. Just got a bit of a pressure test on the cooling system.
Just seeing a bit of a drop out this overflow tank's got a crack in it. I'll have to get one of them.
I was a bit naive to think I was going to be done here. I was just bleeding the cooling system and noticed the auxiliary water pump wasn't running. And I had the battery disconnected, so I thought I'd scan it for codes. And look what we found. And we've got a code for the thermostat. Secondary air intake, don't care. And what do you know? And the air conditioning auxiliary water pump. So we'll have to do a bit more testing. So the little electronic thermostat lives just here. First check is just a resistance test across the terminals, and we're open circuit. So a few more tests to go, but pretty safe to say we'll be doing a thermostat as well. Just want to check power, so I've just got a test light grounded and one of the plugs there, and yep, test light shining, tick. Being ground side switched, we're just waiting for the computer to turn this on. I don't have an active test on my scan tool for it. Waiting patiently. Just waiting for the engine to warm up. Wait for this thermostat to kick on, just got a little bulb connected. Hopefully we should see that kick on. Also just wanted to check that has any engine damage, and we can see that the leak detector is still nice and blue, so happy with that. So this is the secondary water pump here, little electric one. Just got it unplugged with my test light in. The computer actually runs a little sense voltage through it. You'll see this little flash every probably 15 seconds or so. There we go. And if we hit activate, it's shining nice and bright. We might actually try a bigger test light just to give it a bit more load, but seems like this little water pump's dead. Same test, but now with a 4 amp test light. So we'll just hit activate again. And yeah, it's more than capable of supplying 4 amps. So we can be sure we need this pump. So new thermostat, new electric water pump. Happy, no more fault codes relating to the cooling system. So time to send it. I also cycled these little coolant diverter valves. They seem to be working fine, cycling the water through the heater cores. Just an active test on the scan tool.